In today's video, I am going to teach you how to stop news in Google Chrome. Detailed Tutorial 2025. To get started, open your Chrome browser and make sure you are on any page you can use as a starting point. Next, look to the top right corner of the Chrome window. You should see the three-dot menu. Click that menu to open Chrome's main options. From there, you will choose Settings. After you click Settings, you will need to find the Privacy and Security area. Your goal is to go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, and then Site Settings. Once you arrive at Site Settings, take a moment to scan the list of site permissions. In this tutorial, we are focusing on pop-ups and redirects. Now click on Pop-ups and Redirects. After you do, Chrome will show options related to how sites are allowed to behave. Look for the option that says Do not allow sites to send pop-ups or use redirects. Select that option. As you make this change, it helps to understand what you are preventing. By disallowing both pop-ups and redirects, you reduce the chance that news or promotional content will interrupt your browsing workflow. After selecting that setting, take a brief pause to confirm that it is applied. The page should reflect your chosen option immediately. If you see the selected radio button or the status updated to show that it is active, you are done with the main adjustment. That covers everything you need to know.